Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME C11 2021 and let me share with you how to manage the charging sound on this device, so how to turn it off or on. So first of all we have to enter the settings and now let's tap on sound. Here we have to scroll down to the very bottom in order to find the other sounds and vibrations section, and as you can see on the third position we've got the charging sounds and vibration, which are in my case turned on, so it means that after plugging in the cable I will be able to hear characteristic sound, and of course we can turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So from now on this option is inactive, so your device won't provide you any charging sound feedback after plugging in the cable. Of course you can turn it on the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to manage charging sound in your REALME C11 2021. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.